Hi, in this video we're going to be going over the Read My Document add-in for Microsoft Office, and it'll work with Excel, PowerPoint, Project, and Word. And what this will do is it'll allow you to highlight text and have it read it to you. So what you need to do to install it is to go to the AppSource website for this page here, which I'll put a link in the description. And once you're here, click on Get It Now. You'll see that it's free. You just agree to their terms here and make sure you're signed in with a Microsoft account. Otherwise, it's going to make you do so. But if you're using Office 365, you should be signed in with your Microsoft account anyway. So we'll click on Continue. Okay, so now it's going to bring you this page saying you could open it with one of these three programs here. We'll try it out in Word. It's saying it wants to open Word, so we'll click OK to open Word here. Okay, so now it has this Read My Document pane here. You might be prompted to trust the add-in if you haven't installed before. I've had this installed previously, so that's why it didn't ask me. So this kind of gives you some information on where to find it here. Go to the Insert tab and go to My Add-ins. And actually it's open right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a different document that has some more text here. We'll find a good section here, like right there. So we'll go to the Insert tab. We'll go to My Add-ins. Let's go to See All here. Because one thing I noticed is some add-ins will put a little group right there, like I did this one for Pexels here, and this one doesn't, so you have to go to your add-ins. You could probably add it in there too if you want to do some custom tweaking on the ribbon there. So we'll go to See All. And so here's Read My Document. Click on that. And then Add. Okay, so now we have it open here, and so if we highlight some text, and then we could pick the speaking rate, slow, medium fast, extra fast. If you want to pick a different voice or a different language, we'll just keep it at the default there. And then they have a play and a pause button. So once you have your text highlighted, click on Read Selected Text. And sometimes it takes a minute to kind of
To better explain what proxies are, here's an example. Say you want to buy a limited shoe edition. You go online and spot 5 pairs
Then you could pause it. And let's say I want to change the voice here to, I can't really see the sides of it here because of my resolution for this video. But let's try this one here. So I've noticed that to do that, I think you have to restart over on your text there. You can't just resume your playback there.
To better explain what proxies are, here's an example. Say you want to buy a limited shoe edition. You go online and spot 5 pairs you wish to purchase. But while placing your order, you discover there's a limit to how many pairs you can buy. Basically, each IP address
So you can see how it works. It's pretty easy to use. You just install the add-in, run it, and then highlight the text you want to have read to you. Change your rate, change your voice if you want. Click on play and pause, and that's all you got to do. So once again, I'll put the link in the description, and you could try it out for yourself and see how it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.